Canvas has a new rich content editor. Here's what you need to know. If you want to add a link, all you have to do is copy the link, select the text, and click on this hyperlink icon. Here you can paste the link and hit done. Now, when you click on the link, you'll get these additional new options, which are link options and remove link. And if I click on link options, I can edit the text. And then hit done. Let's say I want to add an internal link. So instead of clicking on the hyperlink, I can click on the arrow next to the hyperlink and choose course links. And this will pull up all of the elements of the Canvas course that I can link to. Maybe I have a quiz on climate change or a discussion board on climate change. In this example, I have a page on climate change. So just by clicking on that, it will add the text and the link to that page. Also from this area, you can change this drop-down from links to files and find files that you've previously uploaded and then add them that way. Same thing as going to this documents icon, and you can either upload a file, and I actually have one ready. You drag and drop and hit submit, and I can upload a document. If I click on the link, I can change that name. I can type, go. And then additional link options, disable the inline previewer or automatically open the inline previewer, neither of which I need to do right now. And then you can also go to that same documents icon and click on the down arrow next to it and view the documents that you already have in your course. This now has a neat search bar, so you can search for things. There we go. So here's an article that I've already uploaded. I can just select that. So that's how you can add some files to your course. So now I want to add a video. So what I'll do is I'll put my cursor underneath the watch header and then click over here on this plug for plugin. And if it's not already in your drop-down, you can add it by going to View All and searching YouTube. Once you click on it, you can search for the video you want. Once you've found it, you can click Embed, and the drop-down menu will let you choose whether you want a small, medium, or large embed file. I'm going to go with medium. And there you go. You can add it directly into your page. Let's say your video is in Ensemble, so you can either go into this plug and play and find it, or here it is right here right on the toolbar. Click on it. Once you're signed in, you can actually search for what you're looking for, and then you can choose it. Make sure you check your settings, that they're the way you like it, and then hit save. And what that will do is that will embed it directly into your page. And then the last way to add media is you could do it this record upload media button. You can either search your course media or upload record media, where you can drag and drop a media file here, or click on record to use the built-in feature to record a little video. So now we've added links, articles, videos, media uploads. Let's go ahead and link to an internal link. So I'm just going to delete this text here, go to this drop-down arrow next to the hyperlink and do course links. And then I'm going to select the assignment that I have planned, which is what is your carbon footprint? So just by clicking on there, it'll add the name of the assignment and the link to the assignment. Another thing that you can do is keep it scalable. Don't do exact dates. Is you can add an image. So to do that, you can click on this images icon here. And what that will do is it'll give you 3 ways to add an image. Upload it from your computer, go to Unsplash to search for an image, or paste the URL. This is what you will do if you're using buttons. So in this example, I'm going to find a nice picture about climate change. It gives me some really good options. And when I find one that I want, I can click on it. And then down here, I can add some alt text. So this one I will call Windmill on Grassy Field. And then just make sure my spelling is good and hit submit. And then once I click on the image, I'll get this image options where I can give it a custom dimension or select from the preset dimensions, small, medium, or large, and then hit save. So that's how you can add an internal link and how to add an image. Let's say I want to add supplemental or additional or optional. So what I can do is I can select that text, make it a heading, and then here's something fun. You can use this Merlot plugin, and you can search climate change or whatever the topic is, and then you can find material that you can share with your students. So here's one from the NASA website. So I can either add a link or embed. Let's see what it looks like when I embed. Okay, so I've embedded this website where students could get additional information from NASA about global climate change. Another common built-in is Google Apps. So if it's not under your plugin drop-down, you can find it by going to View All and searching Google Apps. And then once you've connected your Google Apps to your account, you can just search for what you're looking for. Here, I just added a climate change file. Select it, and then you can choose to embed or link, and you can embed it. So if these were my lecture slides, I can embed them directly within the page for the students to access, advance through, download, make full screen, all kinds of things. I think I'll just quickly go through the other options. If you click on the options icon here, you can see you have more formatting tools like align, bullets or number, indent, decrease or increase, clear formatting, adding a table, adding mathematical formulas or equations, or a code snippet. So what that might look like is if I have an embed code, which I do have one ready, I can paste it right here, hit submit, and it will embed directly within the rich content editor. Those are the other ones. The formatting tools are very familiar to you if you use Word. You've got your bold, italics, underline, text color, background color, and then whether it's a subscript or superscript. And then the last thing worth mentioning is these tools down here at the bottom of the page. You have a accessibility checker, you have a word count, you can switch from HTML to rich text editor right from here, and you can make the screen larger. If you're working on it and you need to see it larger, you can do that. To change the view, click on View and then uncheck full screen. So I encourage you to play around with it. It's definitely new and it takes some getting used to, but it is nice to be able to upload files directly from the rich content editor, and it is nice to be able to embed YouTube videos, images, ensemble videos, Google Apps, all integrated within the RCE. Thanks so much for watching.